Hello, everyone. Are you wondering about the average salary for a park maintenance worker in the United States? Let's explore. The average annual gross salary for a park maintenance worker is approximately $36,000, which translates to about $3,000 per month. After federal taxes, the annual take-home pay is around $31,000, or approximately $2,583 monthly. Where you work plays a significant role in how much you earn. For instance, park maintenance workers in California earn an average of $41,000 annually, while in Texas, the average salary is closer to $33,000. Experience also impacts earnings. Entry-level park maintenance workers with less than 1 year of experience typically earn around $30,000 annually. With 1 to 4 years of experience, the average salary increases to approximately $35,000. Highly experienced workers, particularly those responsible for managing large parks or operating specialized equipment, can earn over $45,000 annually. Specialized skills such as landscaping, irrigation system maintenance, and operating heavy equipment can significantly influence salary levels. Park maintenance workers employed by state or national parks, or in areas with higher public use, often command higher wages due to the scale and complexity of their work. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.